Good morning, students. Today we will do lesson number 11 algebra, exercise 11.5. And in exercise 11.5, today we have to do question number 3. So let's start with it. Question number 3, firstly understand the meaning of the question. What the question say? They said you have to pick out the solution from the values. Now these are the values which are given to us for A part. Clear? From the value given in the bracket next to each, find out the values are given in a bracket. You have to show that others value do not satisfy the equation. Clear? You have to take one values in every step and then check it out which value satisfied it and not. Clear? So let's start with the A part. So you will write in a copy only. A part is 5m is equals to 60. Now solution. First part, because there are 4 values, so we write first part. Put m is equals to 10, because first value is 10. Put m is equals to 10 in equation. Clear? In an equation. So we put the value. Clear? Now you put it 5 in place of m, what come? 10 is equals to 60. Means left hand side is f5m and right hand side is 60. So 50 is equals to 60. No. So we write no. It is not an equation, so you write no. Clear? After this we write second. Now second equation this time is 5. So you put m is equals to 5 in an equation. Means one question is having 4 questions. This is a meaning of a question. So 5m is equals to 60. So you put 5 into 5 is equals to 60. So 25 is equals to 60. No, it is not equals to 60. So again it is not satisfying the equation. Now third times, what is the value given? 12. So you put m is equals to 12 in an equation. You can write this line only. Clear? Now we are putting the value in this. 5 into 12 is equals to 60. So 60 is equals to 60. So it means equation satisfied, because left hand side comes equals to the right hand side. So you write equation satisfied. Clear? Now we do fourth one. Fourth time, this time they said you have to put m is equals to 15 in an equation. Clear? So now you put m is equals to n. M 5 into 15 is equals to 60. So 5 15s are 75. 75 is not equals to 60, so you write no. Clear, students? So you write here no. Clear? Now we do B part of it. B part is given n plus 2, 12 is equals to 20. Again you write a solution. First time n value is 12. So you put n is equals to 12 in an equation. 12 plus 12 is equal to 20. Means 20 should come, but it is coming 24. 24 is not equals to 20, so you write no. Clear? Now we do second time. We put 8. Put n is equals to 8 this time. Clear? Now you put 8 plus 12 is equals to 20. Now 8 plus 12 is 20. It means 20 is equals to 20. So what do you write? Equation satisfied. Clear? Now we do third one. Third time you have to put the value 20. Put n is equals to 20. 20 plus 12 is equals to 20. So 32 is not equals to 20. So you write no over here. Now last time we have to put the value 0. Means you have to put n is equals to 0. 0 plus 12, it should comes 20. Is it coming? No. Because when you plus 0 in any number, answer will come that same number. So 12 is equals to 20, no. So you write no. Clear? Now students, we do C part. Now C part is P minus 5 is equals to 5. So firstly we put P is equals to 0. So 0 minus 5 is equals to 5. When you minus 5 from a 0, it will come minus 5. So minus 5 is not equals to 5. So it will be no. Now it's the first part. Now in the second part, students, you have to put 10. Now you put P is equals to 10. So 10 minus 5 is equals to 5. So 10 minus 5 is equals to 5. So they are equal. So you write equation satisfied. Clear? Now we do third part of it. In the third part you have to put 5. So put 5 in it. P is equals to 5. 5 minus 5, it should be equals to 5. Is it coming 5? No. 0 is not equals to 5, so you write no. Fourth one, in this you have to put minus 5. Put P is equals to minus 5. Minus 5, it should equals to 5. When both are having same sign, so we will do plus, but the sign of negative will come. Is minus 10 is equals to 5? No. So only one solution we got, that is of 10. So 10 satisfied the equation. Clear? Now we do D part. Q upon 2 is equals to 7. Solution, put 7. Means you have to put Q is equals to 7. So 7 upon 10, 2 is equals to 7. No, you write no over here. Second time you have to put Q is equals to 2. So 2 upon 2, it is equals to 1, which is not equals to 7. So answer is again no. Now third time you have to put Q 10. So 10 upon 2, if you divide it, answer come 5. 5 is equals to 7? No. Again no. Then fourth one, put Q is equals to 14. So 14 upon 2, if you cancel it, it comes 7, which is equals to the right hand side. So you write equation satisfied. Clear? They are asking now which one equation is satisfied. So this one equation is satisfied. Clear? Now we do E part of it. E part is R minus 4 is equals to 0. Now you have to put R is equals to 4. 4 minus 4, it should equals to 0. So 0 is equals to 0. So answer is equation satisfied. Clear? Now we do second part of it. This time you have to put R is equals to minus 4. So minus 4 minus 4, it should be equals to 0. Is it equals to 0? No, it is minus 8. Not equals to 0, so you write no. Third part, put R is equals to 8. 8 minus 4 should be equals to 0. 4 not equals to 0. Answer is no. Clear? Now fourth time we put R is equals to 0. 0 minus 4, it should be equals to 0. Minus 4 not equals to 0. So it is no. Clear? Now we do F part. Now we do F part of it. So F part is x plus 4 is equals to 2. So now you put x is equals to minus 2. So now we put minus 2 in it. Minus 2 plus 4, it should be equals to 2. Plus and minus. Sign of biggest one comes, so answer is 2. So equation satisfied. Clear? Now we do the second part of it. Now this time you have to put x is equals to 0. 0 plus 4 is 4. So 4 is not equals to 2. You write no. Third time you have to put x is equals to 2. 2 plus 4, it should be equals to 2. It is coming 6. 6 is not equals to 2. You write no. And the last time you have to put x is equals to 4. 4 plus 4, it should be equals to 2. It is coming 8, which is not equals to 2. So answer is no. So students, today you learn how to satisfy the equation by putting the values. So the number which satisfy that equation, we write yes, it is satisfying that equation. If not, you write no. Clear? So I hope you understand question 3. Thank you and have a nice